Hey there, shopkeepers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the perfect price in Moonlighter 2. Setting the perfect price is important because it balances earning as much gold as possible while also filling your shop's perk meter to unlock powerful gameplay bonuses. Each item in the game has its own perfect price. For example, setting the Sun Claw at 80 gold only triggers the fair price reaction. But if I adjust the price to 89, it now triggers the perfect price reaction, which in return fills up our perk meter much faster than usual. You'll know that you've found the perfect price when you see this stamp appear next to the price, indicating that you're selling the item at its maximum ideal value. Doing this not only lets you get more gold from your items, but also fills your perk meter faster, giving you access to useful shop perks once it's filled. So whenever possible, try to find the perfect price instead of simply settling for the fair price reaction. Over multiple sales, that extra gold and perk meter progress can really add up. You can also use the website linked below as a guide for finding the perfect prices of different items. Just keep in mind that the game is still in early access, so some of these prices may change with future updates. And that's how to set the perfect price in Moonlighter 2. If this helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.